too loud. It's been too loud. My love has been a secret for too long. When I'm away from you, I don't feel strong. Can't take this anymore. Two must become one. This feeling that I have inside so strong. This feeling's with me from dusk until dawn. I gotta get you into my life, or my life can't go on. I'm here to tell you I don't care who knows. I'll take care of you so that we can grow old. I won't let you stay in my way. I can't let you live on. This song's from my heart right into your balls. I sing my song directly into your balls. And if I'm ever thinking at all, I'm thinking of your balls. My balls and your balls, I'm talking wrinkly balls. Your balls and my balls, I'm talking finger balls. Can't you hear me calling, calling your balls? I'll join the circus just to juggle your balls. If I'm lost, I'll bear grills my way to your balls. Even when I'm skydiving, I'll skydive in your balls. Yeah, I'm only hungry for that flavor, your balls. Fuck you spaghetti, give me sauce on your balls. So please sir, can I have more? Some more in your balls. My balls and your balls, I'm talking wrinkly balls. Your balls and my balls, I'm talking finger balls. Can't you see me calling, calling your balls? My balls and your balls, I'm talking musty balls. Your balls and my balls, I'm talking dusty balls. Can't you see me calling, calling your balls? My balls and your balls. Your balls and my balls. I will save you. Let me save you. I can save the life of your balls.
Grabbing my upper thighs, he forces my legs apart. I groan loudly, feeling his tongue circling my clitoris. Oh my. Oh my.